Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's video, if you signed up for Uber, but you forgot to use a referral code, it's okay. I got you covered. Jump down into the video description below. If you're a driver in the US and you're a newer driver, you can use a retroactive sign-up code to get your guarantee to start driving of up to $1,000. It might be $100, $500, $700, or $1,000. But if you're a driver in the US and you need a retroactive bonus code, again, it's in the video description below. All right, check it out. Hey there, good looking. No, I'm talking to you, not myself. I can't see my reflection, believe it or not, so I'm talking to you. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Big things happening in the United States and all over the world right now, as we all are well aware. And we've got a big question right now. And that question in front of us are Uber and Lyft ending? Is this the end of rideshare driving? And you know what? I've got some emails, people saying that's an overreaction. But anyway, we're going to discuss it, and I'll give you some thoughts on why I think it could be, and other thoughts on why I think things are still okay. But anyway, what we do know is that things are up in the air right now, and daily things are transitioning and shifting as we keep an eye on everything that's going on in the world, and we get updates every day. There's new things closing, more restrictions. So first thing I want to say is that as a rideshare driver, I encourage you during this time to keep your finger on the pulse of everything that's going on. Read those updated articles that come to you from Uber and Lyft, so you know what's going on, so that you stay informed, and we will do our best to keep pumping out videos so that you guys can keep updated as well. And so, are Uber and Lyft ending? That's our topic today. And let's talk about a couple of things that don't look so good right now. We know that rides are severely on the decline right now, and there's a couple of reasons for that, right? There's a lot of concern out there in the general public, and we've heard a lot of people, a lot of talk about the spread of the sickness that's going on, and that includes staying away from people. We all know if you're in a vehicle, you're in pretty close proximity, you're sharing a breathing space, and so people are trying to avoid that as much as possible. Most people, right? There's also people out there that are still okay. So anyway, but lo and behold, right, rides are on the decline. So no surprise there. Now, okay, so there's that. Stocks for both Uber and Lyft are on the decline right now. Also no surprise there, right? Stocks kind of across the board right now are declining because the market's unstable. And so Uber and Lyft, which already weren't doing great, their stocks are declining. And so really when we talk about this, the big question is not that it will immediately end. At least I don't think that's a big question. There could be some restrictions put on it. I don't know. That's yet to be seen. I don't really know how that's going to play out. But I think the big question is rideshare, once we get to the other side of what's going on with this situation, is rideshare going to survive? Can Uber and Lyft withstand taking the financial hit and the plummet in their stocks that they're going through right now? How long can they withstand that for? So that's really the big question. Are they able to ride this out long term? Because right now we're just at the beginning stages of this, at least in the United States. And so, projections are that the numbers are continue to escalate with people that are infected. And so we really don't know the extent of how this is going to play out yet. But so that would be my big question. So if there was ever a time that you wanted to start looking into other gig work, boy, this might be the time to do it. But don't lose the faith yet. Like I said, we'll keep updates coming every day. Okay, so let's see. What else do we got here? Rideshare hubs are closed. So the good thing is, right, Uber and Lyft, they're going to obviously they still need to make money, so they still want to have drivers out there on the road, so they're going to do everything that they can in order to accommodate drivers being able to have help with their documents, any issues that they need that they can do online over the phone, they're going to do. So rideshare hubs in general are closed. Big issue with that, right? So you can't go in for in-person help with things. If you're a new driver, that's one of the issues, right? You're gonna have to use a third party. Right, let me back up. You're a new driver, you signed up. Use our referral codes, by the way. Those are in the video description below so that you can get your sign-up guarantee to start driving of up to $1,000. Anyway, again, those referral codes are in the video description below. So you sign up, you got to send in certain paperwork, get that verified, your driver's license, your insurance, your vehicle registration, your vehicle. So then you're going to have to go in and have your vehicle inspected. So you can still go to third-party places to have that done. You'll need to look that up. Quick Google search, you'll be able to find that in your area. Or you might be able to find information on your app to tell you where to go to get your vehicle inspected. Okay. What else do we have going on? Well, carpool rides are discontinued right now. So... And that's kind of a nice thing for a lot of drivers, I'm sure. Actually, a lot of us aren't really fans of it, but it's another reason for concern. Just more and more things are piling up that are being discontinued, and overall, people are more reluctant to use rideshare right now. So, and more drivers are reluctant to drive. So it's kind of on both sides. This is the beginning stages of everything, right? But the hubs are closed, and people aren't using it as much, and stocks are plummeting. So again, I think the big question is, we're at the beginning stages of this all now. It's hard to say where things are projected to go, but the rideshare industry as a whole is being hit hard by this right now. So don't lose faith. Obviously, if you feel comfortable in still driving, continue to do so to make money. Hopefully you have a rainy day fund. If not, a lot of people are in that situation. Anyway, keep your finger on the pulse of everything. Like I said, we've got a lot of videos that are talking about how to keep yourself safe and healthy during this time, and that's top priority. Take care of yourself and your own health. That's most important. Okay. Anyway, you guys, if you have any thoughts, feedbacks, comments on this video, jump down in the video description below. As always, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, stay safe out there, everyone.